In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Facebook name on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then tap right here to head over to menu. After that, tap at that gear to open up settings and privacy. And then go to Meta Account Center. After that, at the very top, tap Add Profiles and it will show you all of your profiles associated with the Meta Account Center. Now, you need to open the profile to which your Facebook account is attached. That is my main Meta profile. Here we can find both of my Facebook and Instagram accounts, and that's where at the very top we can find name. And that's basically where we can change it. If you are divorced or married or for any other reason you want to change your Facebook name, just tap right here, then remove current one, enter new one. You can add their middle name, and also we can change last name here. Once you are done with that, to continue, tap at done and then tap at this button to proceed to the next step, where you will be asked to enter your Facebook password, and you may also be asked to confirm your identity with an SMS verification code. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.